Go.
Hey, Mr. Pinsettage.
So, yes, it's incredibly painful. In fact, it has painful as it's toxic. So. The past week or so, I've been dealing with
Mr. Pinsettage, so do you want to learn how to do two-system equations with x and y intercepts and graphing?
Is this part of your assignment?
Yeah, this is our project.
Is this part of your...
Well, Mr. Pinsettage didn't want to learn how to do it, so
Wait, tell me when. No. Okay, go.
What about you make it do it?
Wait, what?
So happy to learn. Oh, let's go learn. You guys are so ready to learn. It's step one. Step one is to find the y-intercept, so you're going to plug in 0 for x. So here we did it. Okay, so when you plug in 0 for x, you're going to end up getting y equals 10/3. So after that, you're just going to go to step 2. Step 2 is to find the x-intercept, so you're going to plug in 0 for y. So here we did it. If you plug in 0 for y, you're just going to get x equals 10. So step 3, you're going to do shading. You're going to see if you're going to plug in 0 for x and y now. Okay, so we plugged in 0 for x, plugged in 0 for y. Here's the original equation. So it's going to be 0 is less than 10. That's definitely true. So, yeah, that's basically how you do it. Are you guys understanding it? Hey! Megan! Wake up! Megan, get up! Get up right now! Since I had to wake you guys up, now you're really going to have to pay attention. Moving on to the second equation now. Step 1 for the second equation. You're going to plug in 0 for x. You're going to find the y-intercept. So you plug in 0 for x right here. It's going to be y equals -2. So your first answer. Step number 2, you're going to plug in 0 for y to find the x-intercept. So here we are plugging in 0 for y. Here we did it. And after we plugged in 0 for y, we're just going to move the x over, so it's going to be a negative x. We're going to have to divide that by -1 to make it a positive x. So after that, we get x equals... Oh, excuse me. I got a little fog in my throat. But, x equals 2. You are paying attention. Make it wake up. Hey! So I forgot to show that the points next to the equation, but for the first equation, x is 0 and y is 10/3, and x is 10 and y is 0, and of course the shading was true. And then for the second equation, x is 0, of course, y is -2, x is 2, and y is 0, of course, and it's 2 as well. So now, we're going to move on to the graphing. So we're just going to make a T, like that. And we're going to go, so first we're going to plot the first point, and that's 0 and 10/3, so we're going to stay at 0, and 10/3 is 3 1/3. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit after the 3, so here's the point. Second one is 10 and 0, so we're going to go down 10 times, up 10 times, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This point. And that's the first one, so we're going to draw a line for that. Okay, that's really quick. That's for the first system. So after that, we're going to do shading. So shading is true, and we use the point 0, 0 for shading. So we're going to go towards 0, and we're just going to shade that. Okay? So the second one is 0, -2, so we're going to go 0, -2, here's the point. We go 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. We're going to draw a line as best as we could. Here's the second equation. And that's 2 as well, so we're going to go over 0. Whenever it's 2, you're going to go towards 0. If it's false, you're going away from 0. If you use the point 0, 0. So where they both meet is right here and right here. This is where they both meet. And that concludes our session. So what did you... Oh, sorry. Did you guys learn anything?
Bloopers. Bloopers. The bloops. Go.
So move the negative over here, and so yeah, let's see. Oh, excuse me. Bye.